Right, people, what is going on? We are different. Oh, do you want to say that? Different setup than normal. But this is the trade recap for today, Tuesday, the 18th of August. We took one break even, one loss, but it was just straight sharp. So, I'll walk you through briefly what we did. Market opened. I thought we were going to have a nice little pay swing. We didn't. Unfortunately, we had SMTs on both sides. Where were we? Just get rid of this for the time being. Right, so coming into the day, we had an SMT. We were inside of OTE of the leg. If I on the 4 hour time frame, so optimal trade entry. Hold on. Did I shrink my face cam? I didn't shrink my face cam. That would have been awkward. There we go. You just right. So OTE of the leg, we had an SMT at the 79% extension on the 4 hour. We were seeing some sort of consolidation. So I thought, okay, consolidation, manipulate lower, go higher. What ended up happening, market opened, we came down, created an internal SMT. Where are we? No, we didn't actually. Yes, came down as well. Yeah, I might have taken that by mistake then. But then we proceeded to, after dicking down, get a 30-second inverse up. Let's have a look. Yeah, so we actually ended up inversing this 1 minute. So I entered off of that. We had 79% extension sweep, external SMT, overall higher draws because we just absolutely dumped during Asia. So I, need to go rebalance the range real quick. Apparently not. But it's fine. So we enter off of here, go break even at this internal high. We would have just taken it for about 75 points. So 25 point stop. There was a 15 point stop actually. It was a bit but 15 point stop, 75 points take profit when break even at the internal high. Got break even. That was the first trade, and then the second trade, which ended up losing, was as if we've just done that. That is annoying. I was literally looking at 10 a.m. longs as well. Okay, don't worry about it. 10 a.m. opens, manipulates into this 5 minute gap. Hold on, delete this fib level. 10 a.m. opens, manipulates into this 5 minute gap inside of OTE of the leg down that we created from that manipulation at 9:30. Also perfectly tapped the 0.5%, which is equilibrium, so it means we've fully rebalanced that range down. So we can either continue going down or just fuck about as it looked like it did today. So 10 a.m. opens, manipulates into unmitigated 5 minute gap, which also rebalances the range. We get a 1 minute inverse to the downside, followed by a retest of that, and then breaking below 10 a.m. again. So I was fully looking for shorts. As soon as 10 a.m. aligned with a fib level, I was ready to long. This leg down, we had 10 a.m. aligning with OTE. Let's draw that real quick. So we had 10 a.m. aligning with OTE. So what happened here? Well, I was a bit hesitant. I had my limits at 10 a.m. I was just going to target swing low, pass the eval, bish bash, bosh, sorted. Didn't end up happening. What we did end up doing was hitting OTE to the tick nearly, edging my first limit, and then dipping about 50 points, was it? How many points did we dip? Yeah, 50.5 points, and then going and breaking above 10 a.m. again. So I set my limits here because for all I knew that was still valid. However, we did tap the CE of this 4 hour rejection wick, which is rejecting off of this 4 hour low inside of this intermediate 4 hour low inside of this 4 hour gap. So that is a 4 hour rejection wick, which is why I was a bit hesitant. Now, if I could go back, obviously hindsight's 2020, I wouldn't have taken this, but it's completely fine. One and done for the day. And then I was looking at longs, but I don't think this aligned with a fib level. No, like this didn't. If this aligned with a 0.5, this would have been textbook, but we literally just came down. We didn't even tap 10 a.m. there. And we're just consolidating. I mean, if you can see ES on the right, like this is just straight chop. This is not really what I want to see for like a clean, probable setup. So overall, I mean, strange day. 2 trades, 1 break even, 1 loss. Eval is still currently at 1.3k. We've got 1.7 to pass it. Had a good week last week, 900. Week before, 747. Tuesdays just aren't good for us. Tuesdays are the only red days. What have we got? We've got FOMC tomorrow at 7, no, at 8. So I'm not holding out too much hope. The one bit of red folder news we have, oh, it's changed to 7. Why has it changed to 7? It was, yeah, one piece of USD high impact news, and it's on a Wednesday at 7 p.m. So normally on days with FOMC, the market is just consolidating the whole day, just where it's just waiting for 10 a.m. It's waiting for 10 a.m. news. There's no volatility. There's nothing probable. It is just straight chop, which is also what I thought today was going to be. And ES has proved me very right. 5-minute time frame just looks like a barcode. Like, bro, what is this? This is not probable. Anyway, got FOMC tomorrow. We'll see what happens. We're still trading the rest of the week. I sort of, it's a love-hate relationship trading on a laptop because it's so much harder to like navigate. But I feel like I'm LARPing, so. Anyway, right, that was a trade recap for today. Hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you tomorrow. If any of you took anything, let me know in the Discord community trades. I'll leave a link to the Discord down in the description below. But have a good rest of your day. Take care of yourself. Tell someone you love them, and I'll see you later.